Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet scanner. And the weekly update is going to be done in this video, and also how that last week of performance which is happening. So that we are going to discuss in this video. So last week, which we are started from first week of April, so that was done from 1st of April to 5th of April. So we have a lot of opportunities which we triggered in a call set. So overall market looks good. And based on our monthly IV, some stocks we suggested for high volatility. So maybe some stocks like Voltas, that would be on the group, and some other stocks, National Aluminium and GMR, Sale also be there in the group. So some stocks which given you such a good result are those who are following based on our monthly IV sheet. So that's a scanner for monthly positional based on the strategy. So here are those stocks which you are looking at based on high momentum. So like a Sale and Voltas, Indian Hotel, GMR Infra, Tata Chemical. So from that list, so we find Voltas will be there, and one more stock like Sale will be there, and Tata Chemical is not there. Some stocks which you are taken for a monthly positional. So maybe this one which we are looking for a positional opportunity, not for an intraday. So positionally, we will be waiting for a big target as well as big stop loss, and based on our monthly concepts. Okay, so that is the strategy which we are doing on our courses. And here are the second one which we are looking at weekly. So a lot of opportunities, and more than 50% we have seen almost 15 stocks. So even we are using the sheet for 1 to 2 stocks on a weekly basis, and monthly basis also we are looking for 3 to 5 stocks. Already if you are following our advanced strategy, so I find a Voltas and Sale is not achieving the target, but it is already moved well, and VEDL that was giving us such a good result. And these are all the available based on our concepts. And intraday, you know very well, this works based on the R4 level. There is a two conditions which you are using. It is what the condition which you are taken out is about 9:30 after breakout. Okay. So here that update also we have done earlier. So monthly positional, those were strategy playing. So we have a lot of opportunity like National Aluminium, Voltas, and something like GNFC. It's a real-time opportunity which we got it. So I'm not talking about all 15 which is triggers our entry. Maybe some stocks which is gap up, but from there 3 to 4 stocks are almost done for the month. Let me see what is going to happen. And weekly positional, this is what the first week of the month, and second week of the month the data is going to be updated today. And intraday also, intraday that was giving you such a good result for your breakout. So again I tell you how do you use it, Godrej property 2400. So let me check Godrej properties 2400, and let me check. Yeah, so call side, so it is working based on the R4 level. So here that breakout which happened in the first candle. So if any stock which triggers our entry point in the first candle itself, that means the R4 level. Okay, so simply we should avoid, but in this case, it is triggers our R4 level, and then it came down. Okay, so in the first 15 minutes. So if you are getting in the first 15 minutes, that we are not considered as a fresh breakout, right? But second candle it given you breakout and such a good move. But to avoid, simply we are filtering out this first candle filter. So only after 9:30, the stocks should break the level, and before any time frame in that particular day, it never touches the level that we consider as a fresh breakout. In this case, here very narrow or inside a camarilla. That is what another condition. So I'm just looking out at that inside camarilla which is happening. So here the level, there is a level which is inside, completely inside the previous day. So we are expecting the breakout. That point of view we can look at the stock. But as per the R4 concept, simply ignore the stock because it is not good one. Okay, so based on the R4 concept, lot of stocks. Ashok Leyland 172.55. The strike price, you can look at this Ashok Leyland 172.55. So the strike price also slightly difficult one to remember. But this is what not fixed by us. It is exchange. So here the strike price, which is giving you the breakout nearby 130. So 5.65. Maybe my pivot as my stop loss. So 5.1, 55 paise, and it went up to 6.9. So more than 1.5 rupees, or more than 1:2. That was generating you such a good result. So we have to find out such as opportunities based on the Cambrilla R4 level. So you can track if any Cambrilla R4 it's an arrow or inside. I'm just creating the scanners in the Excel sheet. Maybe that will help us to find out or create this one will help you to make that Cambrilla narrow or something like that. So maybe soon I will be updating. So monthly positional. So based on the concept, so you know well GNFC 630, GNFC 630 as a positional trade. So where I to find out an entry 630, our entry point should be 47. So the 47 where we got a triggered, and this particular candle may be liquid issue, but that is happening 10 o'clock. So next candle 52 maybe here. So we have an opportunity. Okay, so then it finally it moves. But if you are looking at there is a liquidity issue, if a live market, if you don't find out a good liquid, simply ignore it. Voltas that given and IGL 430, it's a positional one. Maybe based on our monthly as well as weekly, because first week and this is a good liquid, and maybe our entry point should be 18.8. That can be triggered maybe at this point around 5th April. The same day it went huge almost to the top of 39. So this is an opportunity based on our monthly positional concept which we are finding out. So those who are following our strategy, so this month already in the first week itself we have more than 15 stocks that get we hit our target. So I hope you may be finding a good opportunity along with this particular trade system. So thank you for watching. And one more thing, so the update. So let me try to update the sheet and monthly and weekly positional. Okay. So let me try to do what in the live session itself. So tomorrow morning you will be getting live update and the sheet get be updated. But here it's a weekly update. I'm just doing and running. In the same time, you will be getting intraday sheet. Monthly will never change, and it will be remain same till the end of this month, 30th April. So monthly sheet is going to update it monthly once, and weekly sheet weekly once, intraday daily. Okay, so we are trying to find out such a good opportunities from this sheet for a positional intraday, but positional concept which works for a weekly and monthly. So if you are using weekly monthly sheet, you can apply your own strategy, whatever the strategy which you are using. So you can apply it, and that will help you to find out a stock. This sheet will helping you to find out a positional stocks. So as of now, weekly we are updated the sheet, and this will be available from 8th of April to 12th of April, and almost 1 week. I think one of the day were holiday, but you can use it first 2 or 3 days for a positional. But if you are using an intraday, so no problem, you can utilize it. And monthly still remains same. No, there is no changes on this monthly positional. Okay, so intraday already updated, and these stocks Zeal, Atul, Sale is currently not liquid, and Zeal, Navin Fluoride, Atul, Eicher Motor. So those 6 stocks is currently not liquid yet. Okay, so if you want to access this sheet, you will be getting monthly subscription available. So you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video. You will be getting access to this sheet. And these stocks are not liquid, so simply you can ignore it, but no problem. And after 9:30, whatever the stock which triggers our entry point period, as well as the illiquid stock should be removed from that. So if you are looking our intraday sheet, you should focus that sheet will be updated after 9:30. So thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you so much.